I'm going to show you in this video what to do when one of the orders on a technician schedule is a ICC or a repair. And you can find that out by highlighting it, and it's going to say service code is an ICC. Anytime you have an ICC, you're going to have a invoice and a work order. So I'm going to show you quickly how to do that. First things first, you're going to have a section already created. Okay. And you need to bring over your schedule, your template, which in this case is going to be a repair schedule because it's repairs. It's not a system startup. It's repairs. So I'm going to select daily schedule, and I'm going to select a repair. Okay, first thing you want to do is print your schedule, which I showed you in another video how to do, but I'll do it again. Feliciano, yes, print schedule, print to OneNote. Okay. Okay. I'm going to shrink it a little bit. Cut. Paste. One work order. Now, in the repair, it looks a little bit different. We still have to print the invoice. And what you can do here is just, instead of printing the invoice, you can just preview it, hit OK, and then you can snip it from here. You're going to snip this portion of the invoice, copy, and then right underneath Notes to Technician, you're going to paste the invoice, just like that. Okay, so now we need to get the work order. I'm going to right click here, View Program Service, click on this checkbox, select Work Order, Print to OneNote. Okay. You're going to shrink it, you're going to cut it, and then you're going to paste it right below the invoice. And that's how you do a repair on a technician schedule. So you have your invoice and then you have your work order. The work order tells the technician what to do when he gets to the location. These are basically repair proposals that have been approved by the customer. So after they're approved, after the proposal is approved, it gets turned into a work order. Then after the work order is completed, it gets turned into an invoice. So this is the middle stage of the process. So that's it. So of course you put repair number 1. So, and then you can delete these 2 printouts. So there you go. You got your schedule, and then you got your repair, invoice, work order, and that's it.